Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set daily limited screen time on your TikTok account. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by tapping on the icon in our bottom right corner. That's going to take us to our profile page. Now that we're here, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. That's going to trigger a navigation menu. Now, in this menu, we're going to select the last option, Settings and Privacy. We're going to skip the account section here and we're going to move on to Content and Display, and we're going to select Screen Time. So as you can see, the first option we have is Daily Screen Time. So we're going to go and click on that. And this means you're going to get notified if you spend 40, 60, 90 or 120 minutes on TikTok per day. If you reach your time, you're going to enter a passcode to keep using this app. So we're going to set it to 120 minutes. You set it by clicking on daily time and then picking one of these options. So we already selected 122 minutes. Now we're going to go on and turn it on. We're going to set a passcode to turn on the daily screen time. So enter your passcode. Next, now you have to confirm your passcode and set. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!